Louis Nitro 91. The reason I'm doing this video here is because I'm hiking in the woods and there's something strange going on. And what is strange is that I came out here looking for birds to, you know, capture some pictures and maybe videos. And the strangest thing is there is none. I can hear that chirp of a bird, but it's far away. But there's no birds like 2 or 3 years ago. I can't hear nothing. I'm gonna be silent so you guys can hear what I mean. Nothing. No birds. They're not flying. They're not in the trees. Nowhere to be found birds.